honey. Yes, 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 yes. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I have a wig that comes to us from Amazon seller Donmily. Now I've worked with this company a couple of times before. I really do like this company. I think I've worked with them 3 or maybe even 4 times before in the past. So I was so excited to get this wig because it's like a kinky curly wig. So I'm super excited. So before I get into the wig review today, you guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much for clicking on the video. Thank you so much for joining me. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Go ahead and go through my channel. I always say I have playlists. I have different things for different people. So if you have stumbled across my video maybe because of this hair and it's a natural hair, I do have a playlist on here, I think, of natural hair. So you can just go to one of my playlists, and I think it is entitled simply natural hair. So if you guys decide to do that, please go ahead on and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. I do bring videos a couple times a week. So again, like I said, I'm so super excited to get this wig because I really wanted to try this wig out. I was so glad when they reached out to me. So this is the box that comes in. All their wigs mostly come in boxes like this, and it just has their name on it, and it'll tell you what the wig is, which will be right here on the side, usually on the sticker. So I ended up getting this kinky curly wig from them, and you guys, like I said, I am like uber excited. Now it is a synthetic wig, it is not human hair, but the reason I'm excited is because of the texture and the curls. They look so good. So what you get inside the box is a wig cap, which is a regular one. So I like these. You know, you can wear these with the black ones with different things as well. And then they give you, I want to say it's an adjustable band, which most of these companies have been giving adjustable bands lately. So I do like that. So they give you an adjustable band. So if you want to sew the band in and make it glueless. I'm not obviously going to do that today, you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and get into the review because, like I said, I'm excited. So this is the hair. Can we just give it up for the hair, you guys? I'm so excited about this hair. Look at that. Look at all of the curls that's on here. Look at these curls. Look at the roots. Hope you guys can see that. Yes, you can. And look at that curl pattern. So let's go ahead on and go through it. I have just been treating it just like a precious doll because I'm just like, oh my God, this hair is so pretty. You get combs on it. I know because I felt on the inside. Let me see. For everybody like their combs, you do get 2 combs. You get a comb more on the temple on this side and more in the middle on that one. You do get a comb in the back. You do get your adjustable straps. You get lace on this. It's just lace around the perimeter of it in the front, and then you get a nice curved part. So I'm going to go ahead and get this on. Like I said, you guys, I'm probably like smiling from ear to ear because I wanted to try this hair so much. Yes, honey. Yes. She is kinky. She is curly. I am in love. Now, y'all know what I'm going to say. I wish it was what? A left side part, but we're gonna work with her. So I have the wig grip on. I just want to see how it would feel with it. It doesn't feel bad with the wig grip on. So do you see it? Come on, look at that. Yes, I love it. So let's go ahead on. I'm gonna take off the lace on here. Parting area is not bad at all. I don't think I have to like pluck it or anything. The parting area. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look for this wig, and sis, bruh, she popping. I absolutely love this wig, and I do like big hair, but sometimes I'm like, it all depends. You can't see the parting area on this, but I'm okay with it, you guys. Like, let me go ahead and give you guys a 360 of this wig real quick, of what I pretty much done with it. This is what I did with it. I tried to keep the curls in there as much as possible and just cut it around the front just a little bit and stack it so that it would stay in the shape that I envisioned it being. Go ahead on and give you guys some pros and some cons for this hair. Obviously, the first con is it's a lot of hair, so if you don't like that, move on. It's a lot of hair. Next thing is you will have to shape it. It just comes just hanging. So if you want to do a headband or something like that, you will be able to do that, but you're definitely going to have to shape it so that it would shape to your face, which is something that I like, because I feel like when you get hair like this, you get to customize it. And obviously the older it get, the better it's going to look. I didn't pull all the curls out. You can, that's a pro or a con, but once you start pulling the curls out, you know it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, because that is the nature of this hair. Other than that, that's it. Pros, cap construction is great. Parting area is slim. I did not go in and put powder in there. I can go ahead and do that because I'm sure I'll be asked about the whole powder thing. I'll go ahead and put it in there. I wasn't worried about having a parting on this. I did take out a little bit, just a teeny bit of my hair in the front and put it behind my hairline. It did fit my hairline very nicely. I just did that because I didn't want to have to worry about, I had put that wig grip on and I really didn't want that wig grip on there. So like I said, you can see the parting area right there like that. You can see it if you wanted to do something like that. But like I said, I ended up pulling out just a little bit of my hair. Now I did leave lace on there in case I would want to glue this down, which I probably wouldn't be gluing anything like this down, because the only time I glue it down is if it was something I could put up in a ponytail, and I feel like the ponytail would just be too much. With this, I would definitely be 80s or Whitney Houston. It just would be too much. So I feel like the hair texture on this is super nice. Like, I don't know how they got this hair like this and it's not human hair. I just don't know. I did put some mousse on it, and it did, you know, make it shiny or give it a nice shine to it. It didn't make it, it didn't bring the curls all the way back on this side, because I ended up parting it over here. So it did kind of split up the curls somewhat, but it made them fuzzy. But I'm telling you, it just makes it look like so natural and everything. Now if you want to pull this hair in a ponytail, I'm guessing that you can, for those of you who want to wear it to work or something, but it will be a very big ponytail. Otherwise, the hair is just gorgeous to me. Donmily, you guys did it again. Like I said, I know I have gotten 2, maybe 3 units from you guys. Some have been human, some have been synthetic, but I have liked every single unit that I've gotten from you, and I have them in, like, I think different styles and patterns, because I think I have a bob one, now I have this one, and I want to say I have a curly one from them or something like that. I don't know, y'all. You know, I don't know. I got so many wigs. I don't know. But I know I've worked with them a couple times before. So I'm going to make sure that I leave you guys the information for purchasing. So on Amazon, this wig is $35.99. Let me see. It says $35.99. And I'm sorry, you guys. Correction. I got this wig, I want to say, in a 16-inch. But this under the bottom, with it being low, looks and feels like 18. See, when you stretch it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by the channel today. Don't forget, like I said, to subscribe. If you guys are interested, you already know I'm going to leave all the information in the description box below on where to purchase it, if it's a coupon, all that good stuff on Amazon. Thanks again for Donmily for working with me this week with the wig. I appreciate you guys. I really like this wig. And like I said, sometimes I never know with big hair. I never know. I have big hair myself, but I never know when it comes to like weaves and wigs if I'm going to like it. This one here, I definitely like. So if you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. I want to know. Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. The name is Beautybymark. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.